Hello YouTube, this is steamrailwilly here, and I'm going to be reviewing a Union Pacific Big Boy LionChief Lionmaster model. This one is number 4012. Now this is not a new model, this was used. I got it from a Facebook group from a nice gentleman by the name of Alan Claus, and he sold it to me because he was upgrading from the LionChief model to the Vision Line Big Boy from Lionel. And I saw it and I took a chance, and here it is, an early birthday gift to myself. My birthday is coming up in a few days, so I decided to just make a quick review video about this. This is probably the biggest model I have and will probably ever have. I don't have a lot of layout space at the moment. In fact, I'm currently working on a more permanent layout that is about 50 inches by 6 feet. But I still have a lot of work to do down there. And so right now I'm just borrowing my parents' dining room table. Now, I did read the instruction book earlier, and it says that I need to add 20 drops of smoke fluid into the stack. So I'm going to be doing that now. I'm most likely going to be using this pine scented fluid. I'm sorry if you can't fully see it, because this is usually the one I have the most of, but I do have an old bottle of unscented. I'll probably be using that instead. Put in the little funnel and gently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, since I am a beginner, I do not have either a TMZC or a legacy control, so I cannot use any of the special functions on that. But I do have the LionChief app from Lionel. Let's see here. There you are. Yeah. So I have the LionChief app on my iPad here. And I also bought the LionChief Universal Remote, but it hasn't come in yet. So as soon as that comes in, I'll program the big boy with that. But I suppose I should power her up. Okay, so for power, I am using a CW80 transformer, and I am going to turn it on now. And already it gave a pretty good power-up sequence. Now going to try to connect it to the app. There it is. So I'm going to, and there it goes. It is connected to my iPad, and now I'm going to have it pull not all of my freight cars, but a vast majority of the freight cars in my collection. Now, one thing I want to point out before doing the running video is to point out the light up cab and the, hard to tell on the video, but the flickering in the firebox. I find that pretty interesting, as well as the tender's marker lights. I'm going to be doing a reversing here in a moment, so hopefully that middle light might come on, and if it doesn't, well, it doesn't matter. This thing's going to be going forward most of the time anyway.
Dispatcher, error is made. Brake test complete. Are we clear to pull? Over. Cleared onto the van. Out.
Alright, that should do it for the running of my LionChief Lionmaster Big Boy. I did notice that it wasn't smoking, so I turned the smoke unit off. For now, I might need to look into that a bit later, but regardless, I am quite pleased with this engine, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it run around this dining room table. For now, I'm just going to call it a night, and, well, this is steamrailwilly, and I'll see you farther down the line.